Hello and welcome back to my channel, and I'd like to thank all of those who has subscribed to the channel and who continues to support the channel in the right direction. And also for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and I will be showing you a few clips here of the video that I've put together. So again, please go ahead and enjoy the video, and if you have any comments, you can leave it in the comment section, and I will return the comments when I'm available. So again, please sit back and enjoy the video, and I will see you guys on the next one.